actually have the most difficult task, not because I have to do the summary, but simply because I have to make a long speech short before the ribbon cutting. So please indulge me and please be patient. I really try to make this really short. I think it's, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Mrs. Lam, Patrick, President, distinguished guests, fellow architects, most important. On behalf of the jury panel, I would like to take this opportunity this evening to thank the Hong Kong Institute of Architects to invite us, to give us the opportunity to participate in this year's awards program. The quality of work this year submitted is exceedingly high, which made our job exceedingly difficult. I'm sure my fellow jurors will agree with me. We placed the notion of quality on the top of the list. Quality in terms of the design conception, its translation into the built form, the quality of space, formal representation, the imagination in planning, and one of the things that we also prized is the potential contribution of every single design in this collective body of knowledge that we call architecture, regardless of geography, regardless of nationality. During the discussion we had, a number of items also emerged as topic of conversation. First and foremost is we wanted to see how the architects would engage in conversation with the context, the environment, and the public realm. And we also wanted to see how the architects, through the design of the building, would address and define their role and their approach in this world, this changing world, with a new worldview and a new world order. If you ask what's the criteria, that is the big or tall order. In the 3 days that took us to come to conclusions, we had very lengthy discussions you would not believe. And we had some debates, a lot of different opinion, but in the very, very end, we came to the conclusion you see around you. All the awards this evening that we are here to honor. So now I would like to, within the 2 or 3 minutes left, to give you a summary of all the projects this evening. And I promise you, I will be very short. First and foremost, the Medal of the Year Award. It goes to Jockey Club Creative Arts Center, JCCAC. The jury gave distinction to the designers for their imagination, discipline, and skill in knowing when to stop. A quality we deem significant in the process of designing a building of this nature. The success of this entry lies in this achievement in attaining the essence of architecture with understated grace and imagination. Merit Award, St. Andrew's Church and Kindergarten. The simple elegance of the church sits in perfect harmony with its very complex surrounding. The interior space and the choice of material exhibit great imagination, refinement, and masterly control, making the church a gentle landmark for the community. Merit Award, HKIA, Les Gage School of Creativity. The concept and design successfully demonstrated lucid and subtle design intent. The arrangement of various blocks along the spine gave rise to a well-thought-out distribution of functional groups, exhibiting the quality of flexibility and vividness for creative activities inside. The President's Prize. The prize is given to Learning Resource Center, Hong Kong Institute of Vocational Education IVE Shatian. This is a fine example of how a designer makes use of the most basic of site and design elements in creating a rich and profound space. The jury is most impressed with the designer's simple application of form, structure, and material, effectively turning a reading room into a garden to read in. Special Architectural Award, Urban Design. Award goes to Stanley Waterfront Improvement Project. The jury believes the challenge in today's urban design lies in the injection of powerful concepts into our city without overwhelming or diminishing the vitality of the city's unique locality. The design successfully demonstrated sensitivity and respect towards the surrounding environment, enhancing the waterfront with a refined and delicate touch. Special Architectural Award, Heritage. Peng San Tang Klang Glad Gallery and Heritage Trail Visitor Center. The design introduces concise elements that do not overpower. It manages to preserve the architectural essence of the past while answering to the practical demands of the present and the future. The winning keywords of this project are sensitivity, simplicity, and directness. Special Architectural Award, alteration and addition works. Prize goes to Sky High Creative Partners. The jury recognized the urbanistic quality in the planning of this interior project. Through the juxtaposition of an assortment of elements, the design is successful in configuring a piece of the city in a given interior space, in this case, a garage. Highly unconventional, often surprising, and always stimulating. Special Architectural Award, Accessibility. The Caritas Logan School. The design that went into this school for the severely handicapped far exceeds the normal considerations and fulfillment of standard accessibility design. The jury recognized the successful integration of the circulation element in the school, creating not only a distinct wayfinding system, but also great architectural spaces. The resultant fluidity are most deserving of appreciation and the possibility of attaining a higher plane of accomplishment beyond this category. Last but not least, Special the Architectural Award, the jury's special prize. The prize goes to Refabricating City, Hong Kong Shenzhen Bi-City Biennale of Urbanism and Architecture 2007. Initially entered for the Architectural Research Award, this project is deemed to achieve great significance in bringing together architects and planners from all over the world to contribute to the discourse of architecture and urbanism and the highly successful engagement of the public. It is therefore the jury's unanimous decision and recommendation to honor this undertaking with a special award befitting a unique event. So, with the approval of HKIA and the President, another new prize category is born, the jury's prize. At this point, I will give the podium back to the MC and let the real festivities begin. Thank you very much.